Guys, magagawa na naman si Jordan ng test pad. Standby kami guys kasi magtitest namin yung ground. Yung mga geotech engineer si Wiki. Ito yung update ng ito yung PEL 12 pala. Filling area to, PEL 12 area. Ang sa kabila, nandoon sa likod na bundok na yan. Yun ang PEL 13. Yan ba? Hatiin pa yung bundok na yan guys. Yung hill na yan. Hatiin yan. Yun doon sa gitna yung krusada. Yan. Yung mga kakahoyan na yan. Pine tree. Yan, compactor ko tambay. Yan Ayan. Ayan, test pa do. Apat ito. Ito yung ganito na kataas. Mga 1 meter, 1.5 meter. Yung natambak namin since nagpahinga kami ng New Year. Yan lalim niyan. Isa. Ito pa isa. Test pad. Isa guys. Tinetesting nila. Sina-check ko yung ground. Kung gaano katigas yung aming compact. Apat 1, 2, 3. Ang lalim 1.5. Pareho yan. Sa kabila naman 1.5. Dalawa puro engineer repair. Hey! This is my handsome engineer. This is our handsome engineer guys. Young fella, the future of New Zealand.
What was the SD and 3D series? Was it the same for this?
2.73. Pretty sure.
Yeah.
I haven't got it on my head, but I think it's 2.73.
Okay.
Should be fine, man. It's good play.
Making money.
Bullshit, man. When you get famous, remember me. Okay?
Ayan yung reading nila guys. Ayan yung nire-read. Din sinusulat yung reading ng ito. Ayun, ang hangin at saka yung intensity, yan ang nag-check. Tawag niyan Humboldt. Tutusok niya mamaya sa butas yan dito yan sa butas tusok niya yan yan. That's not our fault, Blake. The scraper, our fault, scoping the wood. One pod, two pod. It's too many, bro. So maybe we stand by. Maybe we go early smoke, bro.
Yeah, if you want, yeah. I need Jordy here though.
Yeah. So maybe we go early smoke because look, it's 9 o'clock. So we can come back or maybe hang around, eh?
Hang around. You guys see that real green stuff come down the hill?
Yeah.
The perfector?
Yeah.
Make sure you mix it in, okay?
Yes, bro. Yeah.
That
Yeah.
stuff's real
This
shit.
one is like it's that one is like a sun, bro. So I mixed that up
You see it,
from the top.
mix it like everything.
Yeah. This one is this one now is like I have a moist, especially this one. It's good.
Yeah.
This stuff, bro. This stuff is good.
Yeah, the clay's good.
Yeah, this one is clay. It's very nice.
Anything that's overly green, be careful, okay?
Yeah, you need to mix it up,
Can't
eh?
have any green circle itself.
So we need to mix it up.
If you can, yeah.
Yeah. Kita ko dun sa taas, guys. Yan ang ganda ng tapos na namin doon, eh. Kita ko dito sa bundok. Makita ko yung tanawin. Wala nang edit-edit to, guys. Ito yung original video talaga. Totoong pangyayari. Sa taas yung batter, oh. Pinaka batter ng motorway. Pahon. Look at me, guys. Ganda ng lugar. Ayan nyo. Ganda ng lugar. Andun sila sa taas. Sa baba. Sila, oh. Ganda na. Yan naman yung sa kabila. Sa kabila, oh. Ito sa pinakabundok. Ayan yung kasada na yan. Ayan yung subgrade. Tambak namin yun, guys. Napanood nyo yung mga unang video ko. Biniyak yung bundok. Kasi mo, yan o. Yan nyo, oh. Ayun, mayroon nang nakalagay doon na Scrappy Dome Culvert. Yan o. Storm water drainage line. Tagos yan doon sa baba. Doon yan lalabas. Ito yung motorway. Papunta yan doon sa kabilang bundok. Tagos ng Pangaparoa. Yan naman yan, o. Yan. Ito doon. Yung scope na konti na lang siguro, mga 3 meters down na lang yan dyan, o. 3 to 4 meters. Mag-level na yan dyan. Kukunin yan dyan yung bundok na yan, o. Yan. Hanggang doon. Ijoin doon. Sa baba. sa harap ng bulldozer na yan. Yan yung filling area. Sa baba na yan, yan yung fill 12. Dito, tawag namin fill 13. Sa kabila naman, likod na may orange na yan guys. May orange na yan, yan for fill 14 yung mga kaway-kaway pa dyan. Ganda ng lugar oh, mga kabahayan yan dyan oh. Farm yan dyan sa kabila. Scraper ni